Hello students, welcome back to my channel Mathematics with Miss Jen. For today's video, we will talk about linear equation and two variables. I will give you a brief introduction about the three forms of linear equation. First, we have slope-intercept form with the formula of y is equals to mx plus b, where m is a slope and b is a y-intercept. Second, point slope with the formula of y minus y sub 1 is equals to m times x minus x sub 1, where m is a slope and x sub 1 and y sub 1 is a point on the line. And the third one is the standard form of linear equation, where ax plus by is equals to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both equal to 0. X and y are the two variables. So let's try to find the equation of the line using the following given. First, given slope and y-intercept. Second, given the 2 points. The third one is given 1 point and the slope. And the fourth one is given the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Let's try to answer each of the following example. For our example number 1, given slope and y-intercept. Suppose we have the slope of 4 and the y-intercept of 6. So let us substitute the given slope and y-intercept to our formula, which is y is equals to mx plus b. So y is equals to 4x plus 6. Just plug in the given slope and the given y-intercept. So this is our slope-intercept form. To convert this into standard form, which is ax plus by is equals to c, let's transpose 4x to the other side by subtracting 4x both sides. So we have negative 4x plus y is equals to 6. So this is our standard form. Example number 2. We have given the 2 points, the x sub 1 and x sub 2 and the y sub 1 and y sub 2. So for our formula, given the 2 points is y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. In other words, this is a slope or the m. But because 2 points are given, so we will use the change in y over the change in x times x minus x sub 1. So find the equation of the line that passes through 3 and 5 and negative 1 and negative 3. So let's plug in the given values of x and y. So here, y minus 5 is equals to negative 3. Our y sub 2 is negative 3 and our y sub 1 is 5. So negative 3 minus 5 over negative 1 for our x sub 2 and 3 for our x sub 1. So negative 1 minus 3 times x minus 3 for the value of our x sub 1 is 3. Y minus 5 is equals to negative 8 over negative 4 times x minus 3. Y sub 1, y minus 5 is equals to 2x minus 3 because negative 8 over or divided by negative 4 is positive 2 and then our x and negative 3. So to get the slope-intercept form, let's transpose the constant number of negative 5 to the other side by adding both sides by 5. Because this is a negative, so it will be positive here. So our slope-intercept form is y is equals to 2x plus 2. So this is our slope-intercept form. To convert this into standard form, we have ax plus by is equals to c. So y is equals to 2x plus 2, transpose or subtract 2x both sides because 2x here is positive. So to transpose to the other side, you have to change the sign. So since it is positive, it will be negative now. So subtract both sides negative to cancel out the 2x from the other side. So our standard form is 2x plus y is equals to 2. Example number 3. Here, given slope and 1 point. So our formula here is y minus y sub 1 is equals to m, or slope, times x minus x sub 1. So here, given the slope, which is 3, and our point is for x sub 1 is 5, and our y sub 1 is for the value of x is 1 and for the value of y is 5. So let's plug in the given numbers to our formula. So y minus 5 is equals to 3x minus 1. Then we will use our distributive property. So y minus 5 is equals to 3x times 3, because 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then, to write it in a y-intercept form, we will transpose negative 5 to other side. By doing that, we have to add positive 5 both sides. So now we have y is equals to 3x plus 2. So this is our slope-intercept form. And for our standard form, to convert y is equals to 3x plus 2, let us transpose 3x to the other side by subtracting 3x both sides. So now we have negative 3x plus y is equals to 2 as our standard form. For our example number 4, we have the given x-intercept, which is x is a and y is 0, and y-intercepts, which is x is 0 and our y is b. Find the equation of the line with x-intercept of 3 and y is 0, and for y-intercepts, which is x is 0 and y is 6. So let's use the slope-intercept form. So we have y is equals to negative b over a times x plus b. So our a is given, which is 3, and our b, the value of b is 6. So let's plug in the given values. So we have y is equals to negative 6 over 3 times x plus 6. So our y is equals to negative 2x plus 6. So because negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. So this is our slope-intercept form. For our standard form, we have the formula of b times x plus a times y is equals to a times b. So let's plug in the given values. So we have 6 times x plus 3 times y is equals to 3 times 6. So we have 6x plus 3y is equals to 18. So this is our standard form given the x-intercept and y-intercept. So if you want to rewrite this one into a slope-intercept form, it will give you a negative 2x plus 6 because you will divide it by 3. So 6x divided by 3 is 2x. 3y divided by 3 is y, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. To rewrite it into slope-intercept form, you transpose the 2x to the other side. That's why it will give you a negative 2x.